If Telegram shows the message, you are currently offline, please connect to the internet in order to make calls on your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, we try out some general troubleshooting, like make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Let's try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Now close Telegram completely from the app switcher. If that does not work, then follow these instructions. Solution 1. Disable VPN or proxy. First, open your iPhone settings. Then go to General and tap VPN and Device Management. Now tap VPN, toggle off any active VPN. Solution 2. Allow background app refresh. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General. Scroll down, tap background app refresh. Find Telegram and make sure Telegram is allowed. This helps Telegram stay connected. Solution 3. Check date and time settings. Again, go to iPhone settings, tap General, scroll down, tap date and time, turn on set automatically. Incorrect time settings can cause connection errors. Solution 4. Update Telegram app. Open the App Store, search for Telegram, and update the app if needed. Updates often fix connectivity bugs. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. This will delete saved Wi-Fi passwords. If the error still appears, it may be a temporary Telegram server issue. Wait a bit and try again later. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.